Today's video, we are going to show you how to take your hood off of your G37. This is a coupe we are working on. Same thing for sedans, G35s, 350Zs. Really, all the hoods on all Nissan and Infinitis basically come off the same. So we're going to show you how to do that with this coupe today. It's very simple. All you'll need is a flathead, panel popper, and a 12mm socket. All right, so to get this hood off, we already took off everything that you see. That's not necessary. The hood you can take off without taking anything off. So you're going to come over here and you're going to see these little plastic beauty trim pieces. And if you look to the side right here, you're going to see a clip that's going through the hood hinge. You need to pinch that together, and then this will slide down and then slide up off of the hinge, just so you don't break anything. So we'll start that, push that side down, go to the other side, push that in. So that frees up this. You're going to slide it forward and it comes off just like that. And there is a piece of the windshield washer sprayer that is connected to this. So you just want to get under there, and that slides out like that. There's like just a little L clip in there, and this is rubber, so it stretches. It's just in a little rubber circle, so you don't have to worry about ripping that. Take it off obviously with care. So we're going to do that to the other side, and then we will take off the hood struts and then the 4 12mm nuts for the hood, and then the hood comes right off. Can you see in there? Yeah. So work that side down like that. Get to the top. Push that clip down. Like so. Slide it forward. Same thing as the other side. There's going to be that little L clip. Alright, so once you get that little clip out of the top of the sprayer, this slides out like so. And then get a flathead screwdriver, and we are going to, I put my head under the hood just because when you take these off, the hood's going to want to fall. So I kind of just push up with my head a little bit, give it some pressure, get the corner of your flathead in there and walk it up the top like that, and then lift it off, and the hood strut will slide out of that pin. But be careful because one strut, oh, these are actually good struts. Normally, if you take one off, it'll fall. So same thing on the other side. Oh, I'm sorry. Get the corner of your flathead in there, pop it loose, and walk that to the front of it, and then pop that free. And now your hood will fall, so keep that in mind. Then grab a 12. Lift this hood up like that. Pop that off like that. And be careful when you're taking the hood off. If the hood slides out of the hood hinges, if you have a good windshield, you don't want the corner of the hood to hit the windshield and break. And then before we do this side, there's going to be a little rubber hose that goes into the squirters. Just kind of pinch that out, and it'll come out like that. Get that out of the way. Okay, so once that's out like that, I'm going to lift that out carefully. Make sure it's all free on both sides. Come down with the hood like that, and just lift it straight up. And that is how you take your hood off the G37 Coupe.